Hello, everyone. You are welcome to today's lesson. And in today's lesson is going to be in two parts. The first part is going to be a brief one. Okay, we'll be looking at the solution that was given in the lesson 3 assignment of plane geometry 2 circle theorems. Okay, and the assignment is exactly what you have, okay, here. You were asked to find the values of the letters A, B, and C in this diagram. Okay, so let's see. All right, so remember I've told you for every plane geometry question, in fact, for every geometry question or math question that involves a diagram is given. Okay, check if you can give us your solution without reproducing the diagram, do so. So if you can avoid reproducing the diagram, then it means you wouldn't need to introduce any lines, you wouldn't need to introduce any angles by letters, you wouldn't need to introduce any vertices. Okay, so immediately these three you can avoid, and it means you can avoid reproducing the diagram in your solution. Is my point well made, my professors?
Yes.
Okay, great. So here, let's plan and see whether we can avoid. We try as much as possible to avoid, if possible. So now let's see. Okay, I can easily find C. Yes, because I can look at angles on a straight line. Okay, in that case, I can find C without reproducing the diagram. I can still make my point. Okay, then let's come to A. Okay, so this A, I know that this A is the angle between a chord and a tangent. Okay, so I know I have a triangle sitting on my tangent with all the vertices, okay, lying or at the circumference of what? Of the circle. So on that note, we know that we can use a particular theorem, which is the alternate segment theorem. So if I look at this, okay, this angle here, I know should be equal to the angle subtended by this chord, which is making the angle with the tangent, okay, at the circumference. So it means this angle here will be 62. Okay, the same analysis, I will use that to find the B. Okay, chord, tangent, angle between them, and it should be equal to angle subtended by the chord at the circumference, so which will be this. So I can argue without reproducing the diagram. So what do I do? The first thing that I write is solution, which some of you decided not to. Please be careful. Next time it will come with a penalty. Okay, then let's see. If I want to get A, I decided to move alphabetically, but the order in which you move doesn't really matter unless one angle depends on the other, one letter depends on another letter. That's where the order will be critical. So in this case, if I take my A, just as I said, the angle here, A here, should be equal to the angle 62 here. That is angles in the alternate segment. So immediately I write that, I land at my answer, so I can draw my conclusion there. So therefore, A is equal to 62 degrees. What's your reason? Alternate segment angles or angles in the alternate segments. Okay, then same analysis or explanation for the B. Okay, B will also be equal to 71 degrees. Okay, same reason. So you can see the marks. B1 for your relation and the reason, okay, and A1 for your answer. You know that the relation gave you the same result as your answer, so I combined the two. Okay, and the same marking for what we have here. Now, if you want to find C, okay, we know this C here is between the angle between this line and this line, so it's the entire angle here. So C plus 71 should give you 180 angles on a line or on a straight line. So that's exactly what you have here. Now, immediately you write that will be B1. Okay, and this one, the A1, you have to work on it before you get your answer. So it will be, C will be equal to 180 minus 71. Okay, so therefore C will be 109 degrees. Don't forget the degrees. Please, if you forgot the degrees, you won't get the A1. Okay, if you forgot the degrees, you won't get the A1. Take notes. I can only give you the B1, but you won't get the A1. Okay, take notes. Okay, is my point well made, my professors?
Yes.
Okay, all right. So
Yes, sir.
that will be it for this particular. So the total marks will be 5. So once you are marking, you have to capture your marked version and send it to me. So the total marks, will it be 6? I think it's 6, not 5. So whatever that you had over 6. So if you had 6, it will be 6 over 6. Indicate that. Okay, so that will be it for the solution to this assignment. Thank you very much for your attention. God bless us all.